Hello everyone! How was your week? I hope as good as mine. Welcome for more one video of Just Business. This is Thiago Vieira de Carvalho and we are here to talk about project, process, continuous improvement, data. Well, today our subject would be the triangle constraint of projects. What is that? It's a triangle that looks to align and correct balance time, cost, and quality of your project. Well, let's try to exemplify to it be more clear for you. Think that you have 10 calculations to be done and that one person can do that in 1 hour. Okay, and in a good quality that's acceptable for your project. Then you have to do that in half of the time. Then you ask to the people do the same 10 calculations in half an hour. What will happen? The quality will go down, will not be the same. So this is the balance between them. And otherwise we could have the situation where we have now 20 calculations to be done in the same 1 hour with this person only working alone. The same, the quality of the calculations will not be as good as if the person had 2 hours to do them. Then this is the correct balance. If you have a scope that got increased and you want to maintain the same quality, you must increase your cost or your time. In that example, how could we achieve the same quality result? Maybe if we got 2 individuals working, each of them doing 10 calculations, or if I had 2 hours to one individual do all the calculations, so this person could then do the first 10 in 1 hour, the another 10 in the other hour, and it's fine. Okay, so this is how quality, time, and costs got balanced, delivering the scope desired. Then let's think in a project how you would go from scratch until execution, taking into control and managing all these variables. Well, first you get your scope. Looking on your scope, confirming what is not, you would have it clear for you, and then you can go down to a sequence of tasks. And thinking on this sequence of tasks, you need to think on restrictions, on precedence, on what's possible to have in parallel. For example, there is a classic in the project management that one woman does one child in 9 months. Okay, so what if I have now 9 women? Can we do the child in 1 month? We cannot. So there is a constraint that to deliver this delivery of child, I must wait for the 9 months. I cannot short this. Okay? So based on the restrictions, you will know what tasks you can really work in parallel, what tasks you cannot, what tasks you need to finish, then the other can start. So given that, you will know your timeline. Then you look for the resources that you need to execute to build these tasks. And then you would be thinking in what's the desirable output of these deliverables. What is the quality expected? So let's say, going back to the calculations, let's say that there is one calculation that you must be perfect. So maybe you could brought to this 4 revisors. Then you have a very good control, you would have a very good result, making sure that's really great. Then either you have the 4 resources working with this other person that's executing, or you can have this person doing 5 revisions to guarantee that's really good. 2 options. Otherwise, you could have the opposite. Several calculations that the error is acceptable, where you can error by 50% more or less, it's okay. So you don't need to be as precise as the other example. Then maybe don't even need a revisor. Maybe just do one person to do the calculations and it's fine. Okay? So depending on the quality of each deliverable you would have, you would think what you need in terms of research. Is a research more senior? Are more revisors that you need to bring? So then you would have your quality going into your plan, and you are able to deliver then your project with that. Okay, my pleasure. See you in the next video. Bye bye.